Hi everyone and welcome. Today this is Umair from Tutorials Hub and we will be discussing about ZoneAlarm, and this is the Extreme Security NextGen, and this is going to be a complete review and tutorial, so make sure to follow till the end. Also, before we get started, you can book a call with us with the first link below if you are looking for help with your marketing strategy, web design, or any type of tech related consultations. We will be more than happy to help. So let's just begin now without wasting any further time. Now, ZoneAlarm is basically an antivirus and protection system for your PC and various other devices that you can utilize to get yourself much more secured, and it is going to be providing you guys the most essential required type of security, like for example against malwares and ransomwares and also spywares that are usually trying to attack and get into your personal space. So let's just quickly type in here onto your favorite browser ZoneAlarm, and you will be able to see that we are currently onto their site. So once you click onto that first link, you will be able to realize that we are not on their landing page. If you want to simply head over to that, you can click on to their logo at the top left and you will be onto their landing page, which looks something like this. And here we will be having an idea about their features and what are they going to be offering related to different type of technologies that they are using and for which particular scenarios and customers this is going to be the most essential one. So you can see we have live support as well on the right side, and if you have any type of questions you can let them know and they will be getting back to you really quickly. You can also attach your files, and also you have different options for interaction. So let's just minimize this and check out its features and what they have to offer. Now if you simply head over to our first option, which is going to be the PC protection, let's just click on explore. So you can see that we have various different plans and services being offered. So the very first is the ZoneAlarm free antivirus. Secure yourself with the robust antivirus solution with the world's best firewall. So it is going to be providing you some firewall protection and some features related to that. You can download this one completely for free, and you can simply click on this free download button and your downloading will be started. Now if we talk about little bit much more featured plans that they offer, it is going to be having some price. So the benefit of purchasing this is going to be you can easily upgrade or incorporate more PCs. You can see for only one PC you have that for 19, you have 3 PCs for $20. Similarly, if we go all the way to 50 pieces, of course all of the people that are going to be using this particular plan are going to be paying, so you can get a really good value to money out of this. Now a very good thing about this is that you can download a free trial that is going to be providing you different features as well, and similarly goes for all of these anti-ransomware firewall systems. So I like the thing that they have separated different type of securities for different sections within to your PC. So you can see this section is dedicated to anti-ransomware. On the top we have firewall related protections, and this is going to be for the antivirus plus firewall, so you have this all-in-one package as well. So now if we talk about their pricings, you can see they currently have this Halloween sale going on that you can avail as well, and below you will be having different type of antivirus protections related to different firewalls. You have NextGen and various others. So it is going to be providing you these features in the premium, or you can say like the ZoneAlarm Pro antivirus plus firewall plan. You can see you're not going to be getting few features which are going to be content filtering, anti-key logger, anti-ransomware, and mobile security. Now if you're looking for these specific features to be included into your, you can say like antivirus software, then you need to upgrade to ZoneAlarm Extreme Security Next Gen Edition, and that is going to be providing you each and every type of feature that is potentially available or actually available onto the site. So if I go back to the main landing page, you can see in the home section we have different PC protections available. We have mobile apps as well. So if you want to simply go for the mobile app and you want to get some security onto your cellular device, then you have that feature as well. You have free PC security, and we have free um, plans and different type of trials offered as well. That is something really good for the users who do not want to spend some money and are really trying this feature out. So yeah, you can give a try to this, and eventually you are going to be getting something good out of it. So to download it, it is actually pretty simple. Let's just say you want to download it for the PC protection, the free version. Click on the PC one and click on this free download button, and within a couple of seconds you will be able to see on the top right we have this going on, installation wizard, and you can see it is now installing onto my PC. Let me just minimize this so you can see much more clearly. Okay, so now you can see it is downloading, and that's how you can easily download and install it as well. So everything is basically discussed with you guys. Now if you are still unsure about the integrity of the ZoneAlarm software and how it is going to be performing, since a lot of people are skeptical about these antivirus softwares after the vast scandal that really got out there recently, and of course it was something breathtaking, since a company like which provides antivirus services is involved in such a terrible act. So yeah, you should be really mindful choosing this type of software, since these are going to be collecting your data. Of course they need to analyze your PC, and they can potentially be collecting your data for specific antivirus processes. And yeah, so you should be really mindful about choosing this kind of softwares. So now if you talk about whether I do recommend this software or not, now it actually depends, because the software is going to be providing you some dedicated protections as well. Like for example, if you are looking for only firewall protection, and if you're looking for specific type of protections, then you can go for this kind of software. And if you want just all in one in something with VPN, something that is going to be protecting against keyloggers and all that type of advanced stuff, then you can go for a different option. But something is going to be really good about this is that they do have some free version and trials to go for, and they also have a free plan which is going to be completely for free without any trial. So for the new users it could be a benefit. And yeah, so I hope this was informative for you guys and you got to learn something new. If you did so, you can consider subscribing to our channel, and also you can book a call with us with the first link below if you are looking help with your marketing strategy, web design or tech consultations. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.